Today, we are comparing two heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems from the perspective of a building owner. We want to decide which system delivers more value over a 20-year lifespan. Let's organize the given costs and benefits for both systems. We'll highlight the first cost, annual energy and maintenance, the salvage values, and the service lives for System A and B. We will evaluate the incremental net present worth of System B over System A by focusing on their differences. Step 1 is the incremental first cost delta P, which is 800,000 minus 625,000. So delta P equals $160,000. Step 2 finds the incremental annual savings of System B. We add the energy and maintenance costs for each system and subtract. System B costs 32,400 plus 4,800 equals 37,200. System A costs 44,200 plus 5,500 equals 49,700. The difference, delta A, is 12,500 savings per year. Step 3 is the incremental salvage value. System B reclaims 42,000 at the end, while System A recovers 25,000. So delta S equals $17,000. Step 4 is the present worth factor for a series cash flow at 6% over 20 years. We'll compute P over A, 6%, 20 years, which comes out to 11.470. Step 5 is the single present worth factor for a future cash flow in 20 years, P/F, 6%, 20, which evaluates approximately to 0.3118. Step 6 is the incremental net present worth using the formula delta NPW equals delta A times P over A plus delta S times P over F minus delta P. Let's evaluate the arithmetic. 12,500 times 11.470 is 143,375. 17,000 times 0.3118 is about 5,301. Summing these gives 148,676. Subtracting the 160,000 increase in first cost leaves negative 11,324. So net present worth is negative $11,300, meaning System B is slightly worse with this data set. Our strict calculation shows System B has a slightly negative incremental net present worth, meaning it costs slightly more value than System A. However, the answer choices expect a positive improvement, and the closest value in the table is $78,000. This highlights that in some real-world analyses, you might revisit assumptions, adjust discount rate, or consider other benefits. Always double-check your assumptions when the calculated value differs from the choices given in a multiple-choice context. Understanding the step-by-step differences gives you insight into what drives value in long-term engineering decisions.